Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. The winning tip number 4, the demand calculation. Demand calculation is very important because it will affect the production and affect the sales and profit directly. I show you now. So you see on the screen, this is the example of round 4. You see round 4 here, right? The demand fluctuation is USA and is a reduction by 3.7% and Europe unchanged. So we can see the number of demand reduced for each market, and then we can adjust our calculation for the forecast. But look at this, you see that even the coverage increasing here 5%. Here you see that increased by a lot, increase a lot. You see here, and here, right, 15% increase. And also in Asia, the Tech 1 is stable and Tech 2 quite stable, but Tech 3 increase a lot. You see that. And in Europe, Tech 4 increase a lot. So we can set new strategy, right? For example, we can start selling Tech 3 in here and Tech 4 in here, right? So you see that the growth of the market here, right? You can change the strategy, depends on the routes we have. But if you launch a new product, you see that it costs so one round, maybe round 4 will be down in terms of the profit because we have to spend a lot on R&D here, R&D of Tech 3 and Tech 4. But later rounds we can get both good sale and profit. So that's the winning tip number 4. Check the demand and forecast the demand and look at for the vision of the future demands. If you have any question, you can send the email to cesimhelp2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.